In today's video, I'm going to teach you find out how to change your theme and activate dark mode in Outlook. We'll walk through the process on the new Outlook and Outlook on the web, and then cover the classic Outlook desktop app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the theme controls, how to switch to dark mode, and how to match Outlook to your system theme for a consistent look. Let's start with new Outlook and Outlook on the web. First, open Outlook and look to the top right of the screen for the settings gear icon. Click that, then in the panel or page that opens, go to General, and then choose Appearance. This is the central place where Outlook lets you change the overall look and feel. Under the Dark Mode section, select Dark to switch the interface to a darker palette that's easier on the eyes in low light. If you prefer a brighter look, you can pick Light, and if you want Outlook to follow whatever your Windows or Mac theme is, choose Use System Settings. That option is great if your device automatically switches between light and dark at sunrise or sunset. When you've made your choice, click Save to apply the change. Your selection should take effect right away, and you can come back to this same screen at any time to adjust it. If the interface doesn't update immediately, give it a second or refresh the page. Now, let's move to the classic Outlook desktop app. Open Outlook and go to the File tab. From there, select Office Account. If you don't see Office Account in your version, open File, go to Options, and then General. In either place, look for the Office Theme drop-down menu. This controls the theme for Outlook and, in most cases, the rest of your Office apps as well. Choose Black or Dark Gray to activate dark mode. Black gives you the deepest dark interface, while Dark Gray offers a more muted, contrast-friendly version. The change applies instantly across the app, and because it's an Office theme setting, you'll notice it reflected in other Office programs using the same account. If you ever want to adjust it later, return to the same menu and pick the option that fits your preference. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.